A set of step-by-step instructions for adding an extension to Google Chrome. Step-by-step guide, adding an extension to Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure you have an active internet connection. Access the Chrome Web Store. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. Explore the Extensions Store. You'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you can browse a wide range of extensions that enhance your browsing experience. Search for an extension. Use the search bar at the top left corner of the page to search for the specific extension you want to add. Alternatively, you can explore different categories to find extensions that match your needs. Choose an extension. Once you find the extension you want, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll find a description, screenshots, reviews, and additional information about the extension. Add the extension. On the extension's details page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. Confirm installation. A pop-up window will appear, confirming that you want to add the extension. Review the permissions the extension requires, if any, and click Add Extension. Wait for installation. The extension will start downloading and installing. You'll see a progress bar indicating the installation status. Extension added. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification in the top right corner of the browser confirming that the extension has been added. Access the extension. Depending on the extension, you might see a new icon in the top right corner of the browser, next to the address bar. Some extensions might also add options to the right-click context menu or a new tab page. Configure settings. If needed, some extensions allow you to customize their settings. To do this, click on the extension's icon, navigate to its settings, and configure it according to your preferences. Enjoy your extension. The extension is now active and ready to use. Enjoy the enhanced functionality it brings to your browsing experience. Remember that while extensions can be incredibly useful, it's important to choose reputable extensions from trusted sources to ensure your browser's security and performance. Thanks for watching.